Okay, this video is going to talk a little bit about keeping your arm elevated and how you can do this a little more easily. And basically, you want to have an assortment of pillows around you if you're on a couch, on a bed, different thicknesses and squishiness levels, because you really want to keep your arm elevated at least the first day. But I'm going to just try to keep it elevated the first couple of days. Just we all heal differently, so keeping it elevated is going to help. I am now the proud owner of two of these SpongeBobs. One I'm using right now to keep my arm elevated, but since, I'm special, I had to have surgery twice, so I get to have two of them, and two slings too. So anyway, this is really helpful during the day to keep your arm propped up. Sometimes I get sick of wearing the sling. It helps to keep the ice pack in place, but it tugs on your neck. It's like uncomfortable, especially the ice packs are heavy. So if I'm in bed or on a couch, I can prop my arm up on this, or I can actually put my arm through these holes and put the ice packs around my arm, and they kind of stay in place. That's what I do when I sleep at night. I don't wear this when I sleep at night because it's really uncomfortable. It's pulling on your neck. And basically, I have a pillow on the side of me, which will prop my arm up a little bit at an angle. And then my arm's going through this. And then I've got pillows behind this foam block because I don't want this pillow to move by accident. Because when you have arm surgery and they give you a nerve block, your arm is like jelly. You can't pull your arm up, you can't make a bicep, you can't do this. And if you're in this block and your arm flops down by accident, you could really damage your elbow here. So you really want to just make sure your elbows and your arm will not move while you're sleeping. Yeah, so that's those few things I use to elevate my arm during the day. In another video, I'm going to talk about clothing to wear, especially when this is rubbing on your neck. It's not very comfortable. But stay tuned for the upcoming video on clothing.